If there was a new treatment for cancer and other diseases, how would you learn about it? A sophisticated U.S. scientist who works with private industries, NASA, and other government agencies has developed a natural-based formula which destroys non-normal cells. John Wayne Kennedy, who has researched plant stem cell behavior on the Space Shuttle and Space Station, has developed this new process. Healthy cells follow the Krebs cycle and absorb the minerals they need, rejecting the rest. Cancer and other unhealthy cells absorb too much of these minerals, which kills those cells. We use a cream-based formulation which is applied to the skin. It is the ultimate in targeting at the cellular level. The minerals are readily absorbed into the region of the body where the cream is applied, and are then transported systemically to diseased sites. We have not submitted for a US FDA new drug application for this formula because all of its ingredients are classified as generally regarded as safe. Volunteers who used the cream reported positive results on skin, breast, ovarian, prostate, and other tumors. Since this formula kills bacteria, fungus, and other lower-order cells, there are many diseases that it can be used for. The product has also been successfully demonstrated on MRSA, a bacterium which is highly resistant to antibiotics. Kennedy graduated from the University of Wisconsin with a degree in botany with advanced studies in the natural sciences. He then studied other methods of producing ionized minerals and finally settled on the current method as being superior. Today, Kennedy is the chief scientist in 2 biotech companies, one which is conducting further research with this formula, and one which does research on plants in space. His space patent describes replication of undifferentiated plant and animal cells and selective forcing of undifferentiated cells towards gene expression in orbit.
We're here with John Wayne Kennedy, whose life goal as a scientist has been to develop less invasive solutions to resolve disease in humans, animals, and plants.
We can now treat mutated, non-functioning, non-typical cells in viral, fungal, bacterial diseases without the use of surgery, radiation, or chemo. Our mission is to give those with serious diseases less invasive, less costly alternatives that are effective.
Kennedy considers this to be an experimental product that can complement other treatments. He advises all users to consult with their physicians prior to incorporating it in their treatment plan. Science and nature, reviewed by doctors, used by doctors, made for people. For additional information on this natural science, visit www.cancer-cell-treatment.com.